Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on vision enhancements on your phone. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings, scroll down until you see accessibility, and then you should see vision enhancements near the top. So you just want to tap on there. And this will just give you a list of different things to help with your vision enhancement. So at the top it has display mode. You can change it to high contrast. You can also change it to large display. And all you have to do is select apply for that. You can also change the colors and clarity. So you can change it to a high contrast theme. And here they have yellow. You'll have to download it as well. And they also have blue. So you can go and do that. You can also select high contrast fonts, adjust the color and outline of fonts to make them stand out. So you can turn that on. You can also add high contrast keyboard, and this will just give you a few different themes you can choose from. So as you can see, that's how it will change on there. So it's obviously up to you which theme you want to use on there. You've also got highlight buttons, so this will just highlight text on buttons to make them easy to recognize. So you can obviously just enable that as well. You've also got color inversion. Reverse the colors on your screen so that light colors appear dark and vice versa. This will work on all apps, including media, so you can obviously enable that as well. Then you've got color adjustment, so you can change the intensity and the scale as well. You've got color filter, which you can obviously adjust there to suit you. Then you've also got reduce transparency and blur. And you can also select extra dim if you want to do that, or increase the brightness. So that's how you can turn on vision enhancements on your phone. Thanks for watching.